हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू ऑल? सब बढ़िया ना? दिसंबर चल रहा है, आई एम इन भागलपुर, यहाँ पे ब्लॉग्स बना रहा हूँ। एंड अभी बहुत ठंड है यहाँ। इट्स वेरी कोल्ड हियर. इट्स अप्रॉक्स 11 to 12 डिग्री टेम्परेचर एट नाइट एंड मॉर्निंग. It's very hazy, foggy in the morning. Really, it's whenever I come in the window now, I just have a look. Fully fog. Even if I put outside my hand of the window now, I can't see my hands. It's so much of fog here. And I would like to share one of my experience of my life. Regret. What is regret? Regret is type of a thing which can make us depressed or which can make us inspired. We can move in life ahead and ahead, or we can get back and sit down in life and we think what we have done in our life, it's good or bad. Suppose let's give an example. We have done such a thing. After doing it, we think that what we have done. If we would have done it much more good, it will be more better. We should do more type of things which would be more better in our life. But we never do like that. We have a talk with our teachers, with our friends, with our parents. We did a talk, fine. But after 10 minutes, after a day, after a month, we think what we did, was it good or not? We start regretting. We start regretting about our marks, about our income, about our salaries, wages, about our life, our career, what we have done in the past. But no, it's not about that. It's about regret. What does it mean? It's mean about inspiration. We should think that okay, we have walked from this track, we have seen that this track is wrong, we will take a bypass. Let's take some another track. Let's motivate our mind. We should say, okay, we have done this thing in our past. We will move on with the better ideas, better motivated positivity of spirits in our own self. That is the thing. When we get successful in our life, we should get inspired by our own self. We are not getting anyone from whom or by whom we can get inspired. We don't need anyone to get inspired. The main and the first thing is we should motivate ourselves each and every second. That is the best motivation spirit. And whenever I feel like regret, I think, why am I regretting? Okay, let's learn from this regret and let's move on. Let's go ahead. Why we are waiting in our life to earn something, to do something? We stop somewhere. We think, no, we can't do it. When we need to do something, we should say in our mind, we should do it. We should get great marks. We will get great marks. Sometimes someone says that we will give the exam to pass out. But no, we should say that we will give the exam to get the great marks, to get the knowledge, to implement in our own future life. That is our own study. Online studies we are studying nowadays. What happens? We are just studying like, okay, let's study, let's give the online exam. That's it. It's over. Full stop. But what really study matter, what really life matter is our own future, our own aim. If we think about it, we will reach our success. Let's see what happens if we implement this type of ideas to get successful in our lives. Thank you.